Hi, Annabelle Williams from Fine & Country Leamington Spa, here with your market update for March 2021. With the swift rollout of the coronavirus vaccine across the UK, consumer confidence in the economy rose to an 11-month high in February, with GfK reporting consumer views on the economy in general and their personal financial situation both improved, along with their willingness to make major purchases. The housing market has continued to show resilience, with the extension of the stamp duty relief to the end of June encouraging more homeowners to move. There is also a new government-backed mortgage guarantee scheme set to launch on the 1st of April across the UK. This scheme will be available to those seeking to purchase up to $600,000 and support purchases who require a 95% mortgage. Locally, we have seen an 8% increase in the average price of properties to last year, with the average sales price being £673,630. Zoopla reported that buyer demand in the 6 weeks to mid-February was up 12.4% year-on-year, with Rightmove seeing a 45% increase in visitors to its site in the first week of Feb, and inquiries also up 18%. It is still a great time to sell, with demand heavily outweighing supply and people re-evaluating their property needs. We have now begun the journey of the roadmap set out for the lockdown restrictions set to be eased. With children going back to school and the beginnings of some normality set to come, this will continue to increase consumer confidence and allow the economy to begin to recover. If you would like to know any more information about the housing market or to receive an up-to-date valuation of your property, please contact me on the details that will follow. Take care and see you next month.